How to fix account number cannot find on your TikTok application or on the TikTok browser if you're using it on your PC. Now, this issue mainly occurs when your network connection is not good or your PC is lagging or anything happening from your side because this issue cannot happen from the website end. So check your network connection on the Wi-Fi that you're getting full strength network or not. Then after this thing, what you have to make sure is you can connect again to the internet. Here you can see I'm getting the full strength in my network. Then airplane mode, and then to restart your PC you will have to click on the start button of your PC here on the bottom, and then you can restart your device because this will refresh all of your device and all the running background applications, running softwares or anything. So this is the way how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.